Hi everyone, today I'm going to make horse gram curry, the traditional curry that we make and without coconut and and whatever ingredients I have at home right now. I'm going to make the masala ready. I have 3 tomatoes, a small 1 inch of tamarind, 1 onion, 1 full bulb of garlic and 3-inch size of ginger, pepper, jeera and somph I've added, and I'm going to make it into a fine paste, and this is what is going to give you the flavor. The masala is ready. Let's on the stove. Let's add the oil. We'll add in the onions. Stir it. Let it saute and become a little pinkish or brown in color. Not dark brown, lighter brown. I usually add salt to my onions so that it cooks a little quicker. The onions have turned brown. Now let's add paste, the masala paste that we have. Pinch of turmeric powder. I like to eat spicy food, so 2 spoons. Actually my chili powder is not that very hot. I'm going to add Kashmiri chili powder to give a lovely color to our curry. It's not that very spicy, but gives a lovely color to our curry. So I usually have Kashmiri chili powder always in my kitchen. Let's add in the vegetables. Brinjal, 3 to 4 small size brinjal. Let's saute it in the masala for some time. 2 potatoes. I want all the vegetables to really take in all the ingredients, the flavors into the veggies. We'll saute it for some time. Beetroot, usually kids don't eat beetroot, but I do cheat sometimes. I just cut it into small pieces. This is actually a little big, a little more smaller in size, and then I add it into the vegetable curry, korma, so that they don't know, and with dosa and chapathi they'll have it. I've already boiled the horse gram, like maybe 200 grams of horse gram. I'm going to add it inside. Very simple. And that masala water which was there, some masala is still in the jar. I'm going to pour some water and pour that also into the cooker. I poured the masala water the remaining masala, a little bit of water, and I've poured it back into the cooker. Now look at the color, because of the beetroot and the Kashmiri chili powder. I'm going to leave this for 2 whistles. Two whistles done. I'm going to switch off the stove. Yes, the curry is ready. The vegetables are cooked well. Now let's garnish it. My dinner is ready, simple and healthy. To ragi dosa, cucumbers and horse gram curry with vegetables. And this is a healthy dish where our grandparents, my parents have taught us traditionally to have all this uh, pulses, which is really healthy for kids, good for cold, cough, and especially for winter and rainy season. Hope you like it. Keep watching my recipes. I'll come back with more traditional recipes. This is Cooking for Soul channel. See you in the next video. Bye.